Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. Woo! Do we have a journey ahead of us? What I wanted to do was drill out the small thing and relieve the lock bar, but man, we hit all kinds of problems and obstacles and all that, so I just ended up milling out the relief, which turned out to be a huge hassle, and man, wait till you see what happens there, but you gotta watch. I'll make sure to put my website up here, the links for Amazon and all that in the description. Alright, let's just get to it. Whew! So these were definitely off. I'm glad I redid them. Now they all fit. The washers fit in. Nice and tight, nice and good. Everything's nice and even. See, before, you could just tell they weren't even. You would go like that to try to make it around, and one side would slide off, so nice and even. I'm happy. So I'm going to show you how I do it here. So yeah, we got the counterbore set up, nice and straight. I'm so used to putting things on 1, 2, 3 blocks, which I got 1, 2, 3 blocks down in my Amazon links. Yeah, I use it for everything. Just maybe I'll go back to using them after I make sure everything is good. Since I got this all straightened up, because something, man, whew. Anyway, that was in the last video. I'll put that video up here where you can see how I had to tram this all in. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to touch off on here, zero out the Z-axis, and yeah, go down 0.05. Then I'll do the other one, and then I'll switch out. I started, on this one, I started with these, because the bearings are smaller than the washers. So this is for that. Oh, this is carbide, so I gotta remember to speed it up and then slow it down, because this is cobalt. I hate that speeding up and slowing down things. Alright, here we go. Woo! That went way down. I don't know what happened there. Ouch! It's hot though. If you noticed, when the clip was from last night, but I went 0.05 instead of 0.019 or 0.02. But I'm glad I did, because I overshot it. But look, if you watched the last video where I trammed this all up, it was 2 degrees out, which that's 2 degrees out. So since I messed up the washer seating, I went ahead and redid a whole new one. But check this out. That's the first tattoo I've had in 20 years. Woo! The tattoo didn't hurt. What hurt was sitting there for 5 hours in the same chair. Man, woohoo! My back was lit up, my legs kept falling asleep, my butt was on fire. Yeah, the tattoo felt fine. The dude just left like 2 or 3 hours ago. Alright, let's get back to this. Yeah, what a difference. You know, this is since I fixed the mill. Man, it's all centered, everything is straight. It's amazing what happens when everything is done right. Alright, here we go again. But this time we're going to go to 0.02 or 0.019. One of the others. And just like it before, I'm going to touch off, zero it out on the Z, and then go down. Here we go. I gotta go hook up my, I gotta go hook up my compressor. I almost forgot that part. There we go. let me get the other one in and we'll do all these blades. Alright, these I'm just touching off like I said. I'm not even gonna use the DRO or nothing. I'm just bringing it down, touching it off till I see it's all smooth. Because that's, you know, I don't want it at that 2-degree angle. Let's do it. Oh yeah, and I turned it down already. That's the one thing when I switch from carbide to cobalt or molybdenum, I always forget to turn it down, but I did it this time. Yeah, see, that's what I thought. 3/4 of it is new, and then this part right here just has a little bit showing. You can tell it's a different color. So I'm just going to do that with 3 other blades. I'm not going to sit here and flip them over and put them all in for you. Boom. So there we go. All nice and even. If you watch me on Instagram, I don't think I put it in this video or the last. I might have put it in the last video. But when I had it open, it was fine. But then when I closed it, it spread apart. Just like the ones I showed earlier. And that's what made me go and redo it. And here's the new one. Boom. See, I'm trying to hold it loose so you don't think I'm holding it together to pull tricks on you. Ha ha ha. Boom. Alright, so you can see this needs to go down. This way, I think we're good. I like that this way. This one needs both. Or wait, no. Yeah, this one needs both. Needs to come up and go down. So I was planning on drilling for the Detents, but I went back and watched Ekamnai's videos, and he uses a 54 and a 53. Now, the higher the number, the lower it is. So I got like a 59 for a real small hole, and the 54 when I need a 53. So I don't really need 54s. I ordered some on Amazon. Actually, I'll put the link for those. If they have them, I'll put the Amazon link down in my affiliate links and stuff like that. Because they do sell all these carbides, the number carbides. So I'm going to have to wait till Saturday for that. So I figured I'd go ahead and do this. Do the relief on here. I got a 5/16. I went up and measured the last folder I did that was pretty successful, but I had problems with it. So it needs tuning up. So we'll just do this first. And then a couple days when Amazon delivers the carbide, we'll do that. So here's what I did for this. I remembered, I saw this, I have a box for all my folder parts and stuff like that. And I saw this, I was like, what the heck is this thing? What it is, if you watch Ekamnai's video, he uses drill bits to drill it out, which is what I did the first time. And then he puts this bar on the drill bits. But I got these water jet, so I just put it, boom, tighten it down on the parallels, boom. And this is .194, 195, and he says to take it down to .045, so I'm going to take out .145 and then we'll measure it. I'm going to turn it on, touch off, zero out, and then we'll go in .145. This is carbide, so we need to speed it up. Well, that shit, that just pulled, I even locked the head up. How did that pull down? I'll have to watch that. I'm going to go hook up the compressor. I got to watch that footage back because I don't know why it just pulled down a good 1/8 of an inch. I'm going to lock this head up. Oh, that might be the problem. That got real loose. I get so caught up in everything else I don't check these things. That'll be the new look, I guess. That wasn't good. See, Whew, that was scary. That freaked me out. So, but I think I know what happened. All that titanium was bunched up right here, and when it hit here, it sparked, which lit everything up. I just don't know why this pulled down, especially since this is locked up. Here's what I'm gonna do on the next one. Damn it, I should have done this first. Touch off, come up a little bit. Alright, I'm just gonna have to plunge the other one down a little bit and see what we can do with that, but let's see where we're at. I was looking everywhere for them, and they were right in front of me the whole... I put them... Man, they're on my bench. I'm looking everywhere, and they're just sitting right there. Oh, man, I guess I'm so distracted about what just happened. Good Lord. Alright, zeroed out. 065, alright. Alright, I just zeroed everything out, so let's check this bad boy. Alright, 046, that's it. I'm gonna raise this up. I mean, that'd be kind of stupid to plunge it down. Is that too much? Woo, that would be close. Oh, you see what just happened there? The whole head just dropped. I wonder if that's what happened. Alright, let's try this again. I meant to do that. You know, the thing is, I started realizing most guys, most knife making videos and stuff, they only show you the good parts or how to do the good parts. This is the reality of being a knife maker when you're trying to learn something, you know. Messing up and figuring out how to fix it. And that, I mean, not just being a knife maker, anything. If you're trying to learn on your own or figure it out without someone helping you, this is what you're going to have to deal with. So don't feel bad when you mess up, because we all been there. I just do it on camera for you. Whew, that's all rusty. I'm gonna go hit it real quick on like a A30 just to clean it up. Alright, yeah, see, I just cleaned it up. I didn't take any off. There's still these little notches in it. I might have to look online and see if I can order some more of these. Those little nicks are a lot better than those big old gouges. Whew, I had this bad habit of carrying things off with me. This was on the bench. I was like, wait a minute. I'm thinking so much about, you know, what I'm doing ahead, I don't realize I'm carrying bolts off and... Alright, I'll be back. I'm locking everything down, making sure everything's tight. Putting this away so I don't lose it. .65. Good Lord, what am I doing? 0.47. 46. God. Whew. Alright. I'm calling it for tonight. Good Lord. I can't wait to see that flash though. I hope one of these three cameras got it. Whew. Man, oh man. I told you in the beginning this is going to be a fight. But now we got them all back together, and I'm going to cut it right there. But next I'm going to put it on and get everything cleaned up and everything chamfered so we can cut it and drill it and all that. The drill bit came in, so I'm good to go with that. And yeah, that's about it. Comment below. Let me know the fights you've had either with folders, fixed blades, and knife making or whatever it is. Man, these are the struggles that make us progress and get farther, and things we'll never forget. It's the only way to learn. Well, unless you have someone teaching you, but this can be more fun. The ups and downs of life. Alright, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell like we always tell you, all that good stuff. I'll make sure to put my website up here in the cards. It's the first down in the links, along with Amazon links and all that. Let's see, I'll put the Knife Making 101 right here. I'll put the rest of the vlogs right here. Make sure to subscribe right here, and my website's right there. Hope you're all having a great day, and as always, take it easy.